welcome to the My Bharat portal. In today's short video, we shall see how a youth can apply to India Post Experiential Learning Program. So we shall click on the hamburger icon shown above. Then we shall sign in. Please note that in case a youth is not already registered on the portal, he or she should register first using the register now option. Once a youth is registered, they can proceed to sign in. Here, a youth can either log in with their mobile number or email, which is OTP based. Another mode of login is login with password. So currently I shall log in through OTP. So here I shall enter my email ID. Then I shall tick the consent box and then proceed to log in. Here I shall enter the OTP received on my email or my mobile. Once the OTP is entered, I shall proceed to verify the OTP. Now I shall be redirected to my Bharat profile page. I shall first verify my details whether they are correct or not. I shall scroll down, proceed to basic info section, check my name which should be as per the Aadhaar. The first name, middle name and last name, these all should be as per Aadhaar. If you have only two names, just enter the first name and last name. So I shall correct my name as per Aadhaar. Then after I shall proceed to gender section where my gender is also incorrect. I shall make sure it's correct. Date of birth also should be as per the Aadhaar. So I shall enter my date of birth as per Aadhaar. Then I can fill the blood group, COVID vaccination, which are optional fields. Then I shall enter my PIN code, which is mandatory. The PIN code needs to be entered as it will be used in the auto approval process. If this is blank, then it is possible that a youth may be rejected in the auto approval feature. So all the youth participants are requested to fill this PIN code. They should not leave this blank. Now I select my local body. Then I shall click on this green icon to save it. Once done, a message is displayed here. Now for auto approval feature, we also need one more criteria, which is educational qualification. This should also be updated. In case if it's not updated, one needs to update it by clicking on the plus icon. Then I shall select my education type, then institute, and fill the relevant details. Then I shall click on this green tick icon to save the same. Once done, I can see that the education details has been updated in my profile. Again, reiterating the point that the basic info section, the name, first name, middle name, last name, the gender and date of birth, these three must match as per the Aadhaar. Now to avoid the rejection from the auto approval feature, the PIN code must be filled and the educational qualification must be also updated. Once these all 5 fields are updated, I shall proceed to search for the experiential learning, which is present here. Now click on all. Here you can see a variety of experiential learning programs which are listed on the portal. Now to find out the experiential learning program of India Post which is nearby your location or your area, we can use the filter. Click on show filter options. Here we have two methods. The first method includes using state, district and MBO name filter. So let's say in state I select Gujarat, in district I select Bhavnagar, and in MBO name I shall select the department of post. Here any one department of post is selected. Now I shall click on the search icon. Now I shall click on the desired DLP which is nearby my location or nearby my area. Another method to find out the experiential learning program of India Post which is nearby my area is as following. In a state you need to select all first, then you directly proceed to MBO name where you select the department of post, and then ELP name you manually write 2 or 3 or 4 or more characters. It will auto populate the ELP names which may be available. So let's say I am in Dadwa, so if I write Dadwa village name, so I can see that Dadwa there are 2 3 coming up, but I will select which is in my area. So Dadwa in Bhavnagar area I am interested. I shall click on that and then I shall click on search icon. Upon clicking on search you can see that I am getting only one opportunity, so it's quite easy process. Now I shall click on the ELP. Some youths may see this option. If you see this option, then you need to click here and verify your Aadhaar. To verify your Aadhaar, enter your Aadhaar number here correctly. If it's not entered correctly, you can't apply and proceed forward. Now I click on submit. You can see my authentication is successful since I have already updated my profile. If my profile is not updated, the authentication will be not successful. So make sure profile is updated before applying to the ELP. Now once the verification is done, you can see that the message is gone and the apply button is highlighted. For youths who are not seeing such Aadhaar verification message, they can directly click on apply. They need to select the functional category first, any 3 functional category, and then after they need to select the state, then district, then the location. Before clicking on apply, it is requested to see the eligibility criteria, number of opportunity, location, start date, end date, and the about section. That what this ELP is offering and what it is all about. Once you verify all the details, then you can click on apply. Then enter the region to apply. Here you can enter your region. And then click on the consent box, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, the page will now show as interest shown. You can also check your application status by clicking on experiential learning here. Then go to my ELO section. You can see that now you have applied interest shown. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. If you want to edit the ELP application, you can edit the details and everything. Thank you.